Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make Filipino egg pie. Here's our ingredients: 1 package store-bought pie crust, 5 eggs, 1 can condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, a teaspoon vanilla, a teaspoon lemon juice. To start, I'm just unrolling the store-bought pie crust. You have to let it sit for at least an hour so that it's easy for you to manipulate it with your rolling pin. Otherwise, it will just break in pieces. So here I am unrolling the pie crust in a pan. I'm using a glass pan, and I'm just pinching the edges together, and if there's any pie overhang, I just fold it in and pinch. This is just a typical pie crust design. So I have 5 eggs. So right now you can see that I'm just separating the egg yolks from the egg whites. So once you're done with this, just set aside the egg whites because we are going to use it later on. Try whisking your egg yolks gently. This will prevent creating too much air pockets. You can strain your egg yolk mixture 3 times to get rid of all the impurities and the lumps from the egg whites and the milk. The strainer I'm using is a very fine strainer, so I just did it once. Again, our main goal is to avoid a lot of air pockets. So when you are combining the egg whites with the egg yolk mixture, you have to fold it slowly and gently. Having too much air pockets or bubbles in the egg mixture could deflate your egg pie once it's baked. Bake your pie at 350 degrees for 15 minutes to bake the crust. and then lower it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to bake your egg mixture. Your ingredients is enough to make 2 pies. So here I am going to do the second pie in fast track. Here's our Filipino style egg pie. Enjoy!